Today we are going to unbox the Opti-myst CDFI 1000-Pro to show you what's included in the box. Open the box and remove the plastic bottles, spacers, and remote from the top. Then take the cassette out. Next, remove the styrofoam and plastic from the cassette. The tethered remote is placed between the back of the unit and controls in bubble wrap. Here is the controller. In the back middle of the cassette, you'll find the controls. Make sure the tether remote is fully attached. You'll find the plumbing connection, which is used when hooking the Opti-myst cassette up with the plumbing kit. Unscrew the cap to find the water filter. There is an air filter near the onboard controls in the unit. Spare transducers are stored behind the secondary unit near the back middle of the cassette. The cassette is set up to be used with the plumbing kit. To set it up for use with the water bottles, unscrew the plumb kit cap and remove the red C-clip. Then you attach the bottles like this. The wiring compartment is to the back left of the unit. Remove the cover by unscrewing the two Phillips screws. Inside the wiring compartment, you'll find wire hookups. Notice the small black and red wires? Those are used to connect the cassette to heater controls in the Opti-myst Pro Box heat accessory. This is only the beginning. Be sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Opti-myst Pro series.